Hello everyone, I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I wrap my curls at night for bed with my satin care. So if you'd like to check out these amazing satin items from NPTressTreats and how I wrap my curls, then stick around and keep watching. And if you enjoy this video, be sure to hit that like button. And if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, we got some third day curls here that are ready to be wrapped up for bed, and I want to go ahead and show you my wonderful satin items from NPTressTreats. So this one here is a satin scrunchie, and of course the satin bonnet. I love it, it's so fun. Now the amazing thing about these satin bonnets, they are reversible, so you got a 2-in-1 bonnet. How cool is that? Here I'm starting with the satin scrunchie, and I'm going to flip my curls up on top of my head to create a pineapple. So I'm going to be very gentle as I'm gathering my curls, try not to disturb them too much. Then I'm going to take the satin scrunchie and create that nice pineapple, and again very loose. And once that is there, it is time for the satin bonnet. So here we go. I'm going to flip my head forward and I'm going to put my hands in. I like to start at the back of my neck, and then I pull the satin bonnet forward, just gather all the curls inside and pop those ears out, and I'm ready for bedtime. And a sleepy morning to you, but it is time to get to business. So let's check out the reveal of these curls. So I'm going to start from the back, just pull forward on my satin bonnet. I got my pineapple here, and then I'm going to take very carefully, take my satin scrunchie off and give my curls a shake. I'm also going to do a quick scalp massage and just kind of shake out the curls a little bit more. I could, if there's some curls that are a little bit wonky or not quite how I want them, maybe they need a little extra love, you can always refresh as needed. But I really like how these curls turned out, so I'm just going to keep kind of giving myself a little scalp massage, fluffing them, and they're going to be good to go. So if you guys want to check out the satin care from NPTressTreats, I'm going to link all their information down below for you so you can check it out. So whether you have straight hair, curly hair, wavy hair, kinky hair, coily, check out these satin items. They have these and so many more, and let's see if a satin care routine will become part of your nightly routine. And that is it. Thank you so much everyone for hanging out with me today and checking out today's video of how I wrap my curls for bed with my satin care. And also I use a satin pillowcase when I sleep, so I got double, triple, quadruple satin care, and they also have a satin lined shower cap. So you guys got to check out NPTressTreats. You might be as obsessed as I am. All right, all of my curl friends, all of my makeup lovers, and my DIY nail techs, I hope you come back next week for another video. Take care and stay thankful.